Go.
Here we go in Seagate. We're taking our dog for one of the first swims. So she never swam before. Swan. She's gonna be like a swan.
Hey, Cookie. Oh, Mama can't see your face. Hey. Hey. Come on.
How fast? I'm telling you, she's like a
Look at the dog. He's gonna swim.
scuba diver. Look at her. She's really swimming. She's like a scuba diver.
Come on, Chanel. You ready? Draw in the deep part. Let us swim and come.
What's the deep part?
Next to the rocks. But not on the rocks. Ooh, shucks. The water's cold.
No, it's not. Trust me.
No, more. There is Chanel swimming. Come on, Chanel.
That's the exercise, man.
Come on, Chanel. Come. Come, my pretty doggy. Yay! Come, my pretty doggy.
Come on, Chanel.
Come on, Chanel.
Come on, Chanel. Come on, puppy.
Come on. Yay! She's still swimming. Come on, Chanel. Yay! Good doggy. Shake it off. Yay!
Shake.
How is that, Chanel?
Definitely she's gonna go home.
How is that, Chanel? Good.
Stay here, that she's not gonna go on the sand. Come, Chanel, let's go again.
Come on. Come on, Chanel. Come on, Chanel. Come on.
Come here, girl. Let's go.
Come on.
Let's go, puppy. Come on.